The following portion of Daytime is sponsored by Conteras Law.
Whether you're starting to think about it or you're ready to take the next step, divorce is one of the most important and expensive decisions for couples to have to make. In Florida, the rules, costs, and timing are different than you might think. And joining us to break it all down are attorneys Dean Kantaras and Stephanie Cabell from Kantaras Law. Welcome back. Nice to have you here.
Thank you.
Let's start with you, Dean, because in Florida there are contested and uncontested divorce. Would you explain what the difference is and what effect it has on things like cost and timing?
So uncontested divorces typically revolve around an agreement that might be generally in place when you start. You file your petition. Sometimes you've already negotiated it, you drafted it out, and you file it, and you have a final hearing a month later. A contested divorce, there's discovery that has to take place, there's issues that have to be developed, then you have mediation. Maybe a contested matter turns into a contested and you have an agreement. If it doesn't, then you're going to trial and it's contested.
Here in Florida, I'm curious if couples are required to be separated for a certain amount of time before they're even allowed to file for divorce.
There's no separation requirement here in Florida. In fact, some people live in the same house during the entire proceeding and never separate.
How does division of property and assets work here in Florida, Dean?
So it's called equitable distribution. It's section 61075. And what happens is the date of your marriage until the date of the petition for divorce being filed, everything accumulated during that period, assets and debts-wise, is presumed to be marital. There are certain exceptions, but then you gather those, you apply the exceptions, and what's left, you figure out an equitable way to split the assets.
When children are involved, I imagine that it can be a little more complicated or longer. Is that true? How does child custody affect the timing of a divorce here in Florida?
It can be easier, it can be hard. It's one of the most emotional issues, right?
Sure.
It's your kids. So, and it's, I think, all natural for parents to think that they know what's best for their kids. And when you have two parents that don't agree on anything, it can make things a little more complicated. So does it add time to a proceeding? Yes, if the parents can't agree. But the idea is to try to get everybody on the same page so that you can save time and money and you know, not let the children get involved.
Exactly. That makes sense, and that would be ideal. Dean, what about filing for divorce without an attorney? Is that something that you can do here in Florida?
You can do it, and if it's a simple divorce and there's nothing to really be split, it probably is there. There's a process set up. The Supreme Court has forms approved that you can get through the Florida Bar that provide instruction, but it has to be not very complicated. Having kids kind of makes it difficult, or assets, then that kind of makes it more difficult.
So in your view, Stephanie, what is the first thing that you think someone should do if they're ready to file for divorce here in Florida?
Talk to an attorney. Even if you're not going to hire the attorney, get some questions answered, get an idea of what to expect, what it's going to look like. You can, I think, get some of your expectations managed. And offices like ours do free initial consultations, so it doesn't hurt.
It can only help. Thank you so much, Stephanie, Dean. We appreciate you being here.
Thank you again.
Thank you.
And for more information, visit KantarasLaw.com or call 813-755-4300. Daytime will be right back.
The preceding portion of Daytime was sponsored by Conteras Law.